In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a high ping in Roblox. But before that, please do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. Make sure to close any applications which may be using the internet. If you're unsure if an app is using a lot of ping, then all you want to do is go to your task manager and open it up. You can check them one by one to see which apps should be stopped. Second fix you want to try is by pausing any antiviruses you may have. Third fix is to actually going to be using Ethernet or moving close to your router. If you're using your wireless internet far away from the router, this can increase the ping. Next fix is actually by using our Windows firewall. Come down to the magnifying search button, search for Windows Defender, open it up and come on to the left hand side, click Advanced Settings, click on Inbound Rules, come over to the right hand side and create a new rule. But before that, open up your browser, search for Roblox General Connection Problems, go to this article here, scroll down until you can see the heading for make sure the appropriate port to open, come back to the Windows Defender firewall, press on port and press next. We need to make sure we select UDP, select specific local ports, copy the numbers and paste this. But remove the space between the numbers and the hyphen. Press next and press allow the connection. Have them all selected and press next again. You can name this to whatever you want and press finish. Go back to your Windows Defender firewall. Do the same thing for the outbound rules. Repeat the exact same process. We've now added the inbound and outbound rules. If you're still having a problem, then just search Roblox status and there's a website called status.roblox.com. It's going to show you if you've got any sort of issues. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!